She's a good old boat and she'll stay afloat. But nothing's gonna keep smiling.
Hey everybody, in this video here I want to show you how we hooked up a new 12 volt cigarette lighter power outlet receptacle. This receptacle here we picked up at AutoZone. And we're going to put it right about here, just right below the rear seat. I'm going to use a 7/8 inch hole saw. No, let's use a 1-inch hole saw. 1 inch will work. Here we are using our 1-inch drill bit hole saw, and we're drilling in from the front side. And here's the power receptacle installed with stainless steel screws. Here it is coming out the back. We need to install a switch. We don't want the outlet to be on all the time, so we made a switch plate to hold our switch. First we made a template, and then we made the final cut and spray painted it black. Need to drill some pilot holes in our switch plate first, so we put 3 pilot holes in it. Use some PL adhesive to hold down the switch, and install PL adhesive on the back side of the switch plate. Okay, all the ends we'll be making up ourselves. We'll be installing female spades and couplers and rings. Here's some heat shrink we'll be using. So first, strip in the wire, cut off some heat shrink, slide it on the wire, and install the female spade. Crimp it down. And this is a heat gun we got from Harbor Freight Tool. This is showing you one of the female spades we did here, but we also had to do a ring terminal for the positive, a ring terminal for the negative, and 2 female spades for the switch, and 2 female spades for the backside of the outlet receptacle. We also added a 20 amp inline fuse on the positive side. Okay, so here we are installing our first screw on the mounting the switch plate. We install 1 screw, and then we're going to go to the front side and adjust and make sure the switch is at the right angle we need it at. Once we have it where we want it, drive home the last 2 screws. Here we go, making our final connection to the backside of the 12 volt cigarette lighter power receptacle, and there's the final version there. So you got 1 leg running through the switch, and the negative just goes straight to the negative terminal. Here's our 20 amp inline fuse. All right, everything worked out good. We have a new cigarette lighter power supply on the boat for charging cell phones or using a 12-volt air pump to fill inflatables. Thanks for watching.